Hey guys, so I wanted to show off another PET game that I found on one of my game cassettes. So this is a game Breakout, but the cool thing about this copy of Breakout for the Commodore PET is that it also supports audio. So, seeing that my Commodore 2001 is modded with a audio board, let's try it out. Now, this is a game that I didn't really expect to be able to run on the Commodore PET, since it relies on really smooth movement and is normally played with a paddle, but it works very well on the Commodore PET. I'm surprised that the ball hitting the paddle at different angles determines on where it goes. It can speed up and slow down. It's a really great port of Breakout. It's speeding up. I hope it's recording this time. This is the 6th or 7th time I've played Breakout in the last 20 minutes trying to record a video. Ooh, it's getting pretty hard. Come on. I've gotten it up above the line a couple times. There it goes. Oh, my paddle went like into the wall there for a second. Okay, I'm not very good at this game. Nice. Oh, I'm a lot smaller now. Interesting. Okay, well, that's it. Thanks for watching.